Hello, everyone. Hope all of you are safe and sound at home. During these current pandemic times, we all must have faced distressing situations or are still facing it, and we have just the right topic that will help you overcome them. Our topic today is actually based on a quote: a diamond is just a lump of coal that did well under pressure. And I, Bharatdeep Hazarika, along with my team members G. Sai Chaitra, Deepak Kumar R., Geeta Akshita, and Vaishali Patnaik, are going to share our opinion on it. We all know what exactly a diamond is. How is it formed, you ask? Well, it takes millions of years under high pressure for a diamond to form from nothing but raw carbon. While scientifically the process has its own significance, one can easily figure out that this process relates to humans too. When a person is targeting a specific goal, he or she may face numerous problems while trying to achieve it. And often these problems cause the person to feel the intense pressure of the situation. We all must have heard the saying that one performs well under pressure. And this statement does hold true because working under pressure molds a person. It informs himself or herself, as well as everyone, about how he or she handles a situation. A person should be aware about his or her capabilities, for life is like a sinusoidal wave. It has many ups and downs. Many times people break down under high pressure, but there are a few who have their own unique ways to handle it, and they come out as winners. These winners are nothing but diamonds. They not only shine like them, but also become stronger and harder, making them capable of facing any tough situation. While the outcome of surviving under high pressure is worth every beat, it is the process where many break down both mentally and physically. Taking examples of athletes who train under extreme conditions, or Marines who have to endure torturous exercises, many of them give up midway with a very exhaustive attitude. But there are a few who have their own driving forces backing them up that help them in enduring any pain, overcoming even extreme exhaustion, and finally achieving their respective targets. Even for an everyday man with an average pay job, he may face situations in his life where the options available to him are almost null. And at that very moment, his patience and wit are tested. If he comes out of such distressing situations with a smile on his face, he is a diamond. And finally, a very important point to add: it is not necessary that a diamond has to shine for all the eyes present in the room, that is, to shine for others. Being self aware about it is the primary objective.
Hello everyone, I'm Chaitra. Diamond. A diamond is merely a lump of coal that did extremely well under tremendous pressure. The friend who can be silent with you in a moment of despair or pain, who can stay with you in an hour of grief and bereavement, who can tolerate the not knowing, the healing not yet manifested, that is a friend who cares. The pressure is on, my friends. What a day to be alive. I hope this word encourages when as you cross over speed bumps in your walk during this amazing time. We are all diamonds in the rough. A diamond is nothing more than a clump of carbon, coal that refused to give in to a pressure. We can learn so much about life by studying diamonds. They were first discovered in India in 9th century BC in India. Over a millennium later, they found their way into medieval European markets and into the crowns of nobility. Diamonds are the hardest known natural. But what makes the diamond so strong is also what makes it so integrally beautiful. Intense heat and pressure caused to carbon, it crystallizes over the course of billions of years, formed deep within the Earth's mantle. Diamonds are brought to the Earth's surface during violent pressure and change. As with the diamonds, so it is with you and me. Life's sudden upheavals bring our true worth, value, and strength to the surface. The incredible pressure we face during hardships and fiery trials cause the hidden treasure within us to emerge, to bright up. A diamond's resilient nature makes it stable, pure, and strong. But it didn't happen overnight. God uses the intensity of crisis and the force of adversity to rid us of every impurity that would otherwise both weaken our spiritual strength and cause us to jump ship and seek mediocrity. When you finally emerge from the very darkest, crushing, breaking experience in your life, you emerge the strongest and the brightest you've ever been. I'm sure every one of us have experienced this process, but this is unfortunately where we lose so many. Our human finite minds tend to believe that after making it through very difficult trials, our seasons in our lives, we deserve a break. But that's not how it works. And we all witnessed many brothers and sisters walk away from the faith right at this point in the process and tend to commit suicide. But is this a correct way? No, it isn't. Suicide is never a correct way which we take in our lives. We say it's always darkest before the dawn. Once a diamond is thrust out of its long term immense pressure and surfaces of air, the cutting process begins. The more the diamond and we are tested, tried, cut, and polished, the more light it and we are able to reflect. The more you overcome, the more valuable ultimately become. Only another diamond can cut through a diamond. Iron sharpens iron, and faithful are the wounds of a friend. Nothing can be more effective in challenging us and testing us than relationship with those closest to our hearts. When life cuts you the deepest and problems strike the hardest, that's precisely when the master jeweler is cutting and chiseling away at the superfluous so we will reflect his light and his image more clearly. Whatever pressure you are experiencing will bring out the best in you if you allow it. Transformation is far from easy. Those who suffer from the greatest pressure, the most agonizing trials, the severest losses, are being fashioned to shine as they surface from the lonely furnace of application. Your trials don't define you, they refine you. Problems are not signs, they are guideposts along your journey. Without problems or challenges, you would never change. Problems have a way of jolting us out of our usual routines or ruts. There's amazing power available to those who are willing to stop, take stock, and reflect on where they are in life in relation to where they want to go. I will tell my clients or my friends or my colleagues or anyone that we can change our behavior when the pain of staying the same becomes greater than the pain of change. Your worth is far above diamonds or gold. You can change your future by viewing your current condition as a transition into a new season in your life. This is all how we transform our life into the best ones and the better ever. Thank you, friends.
Diamond is merely a lump of coal that did extremely well under tremendous pressure. Here, the book is written by Henry Kissinger. He was beautifully written it. Why he is used the diamond word is because diamond is so precious, it can't easily find and it can't easily shape it. It need hard work and patience. So it means each and everyone is special as diamond. We are shaped and molded by people we are and the way we change to the teaching of the life. Just the way pressure is needed to transform a piece of coal into a diamond, we also require pressure for our transformation. Transformation is a main tool to the person. Transformation creates a life and it has a power to create a world. Life is like a diamond. There is only a one life. In a one life, how we create a life and how we achieve the life is a matter. So, by stepping head to into passion life, it may not easy to succeed. It need hard work and a patience. Lastly, I would like to talk about in every life there was a problem. In that situation, we should face it in a positive way. Then the pressure of the situation will transform it into a beautiful life. So, make a life like a diamond. We have to work hard and we have patience just like diamond.
Hello everyone, this is G Akshita. As we all know that today we are going to discuss about the topic a diamond is merely a lump of coal that did extremely well under tremendous pressure. Everyone is as special as diamond. We are shaped and molded by the people. We are the way we change due to the teachings of the life. Just the way pressure is needed to transform a piece of coal into diamond, we also require pressure of our diamond. Every human is precious and unique from the transformation of coal to diamond. We need to go through intense pressure, which we have to bear it with patience. The result will always be fruitful. Pressure are editable in our life, and the question is, will you give up or not? If you don't give up, your pressure turns into pleasure, and the pressure of achieving something is really worth fighting. Just like there won't be perfume if the flowers are not crushed. Should have clear insight on your goals to achieve work towards it. And even if every situation turns against you, accept it with courage. Courage under pressure is grace done. Wish for a life without difficulties. Remember that caterpillar turns into butterfly and the sand turns into pearl. It says a matter of time. Lastly, all I want to say is no matter how tough it is, no matter how outside pressure you get, no matter how bad breaks in your way, keep your sight on your goal to win. Win it with courage, win it with more love and passion than the world has ever witnessed in any performance, just like diamonds made under the pressure. Thank you.
A piece of coal might not have that potential to attract everyone when compared to the preciousness of a diamond. The only thing that matters is the time and pressure given to the lump of a coal to get transformed into a diamond. In the same way, we also need to go through some pressure to make ourselves good in something. It is very important to understand the fact that we should not escape from the pressure because life isn't easy. We have to bear so many hurdles and try to understand the success behind it. Pressurizing yourselves more than the required amount is also not a good thing. Like when the diamond is being created under pressure, the one who is applying such pressure should be able to manage and help to cope up with the pressure because giving extra pressure may damage the diamond. So, when someone pressurizes you to do something, try to look for the positive aspects and opportunities in that situation. Negative thinking may generate anxiety and mislead us, which is a very bad thing. So it depends on us how are we going to handle the pressure. If we let the pressure attack us, then it will be a very wrong decision because we are letting ourselves down without working for what we want. And this is a very bad sign that you don't require that goal. But if you attack the pressure back by putting a lot of effort and hard work, we will have a very good transformation as things get better and more qualitative only under pressure. So, this is very essential to realize that you should allow the pressure to come into along your way, and only when we learn to deal with it, we are able to succeed. And one takes time to be a perfect. As we are talking about a diamond, diamond is also not made in a single day. Thank you.
Music